Hi, I'm Mark. I'd like to introduce you to Twixl Publisher and tell you all the exciting things you need to know about it. So, let's get started. The first thing you probably want to know is, what is Twixl Publisher? Well, Twixl Publisher is a solution for mobile content publishing. It enables you to easily create native mobile content apps and distribute your content both in the app stores or in-house. You can publish enriched InDesign, HTML or PDF content. The apps you create can be for iOS or Android, and you can also publish to the web. It's good to know that you can integrate with any CMS. That's what Twixl Publisher is all about. The second question you may ask is, who's it for? Well, if you're not a professional programmer and you need to create a native app, this is your thing. Twixl Publisher is an open framework to create content apps in a very effective way. As we speak, it's already being used by many publishers, agencies, designers, companies, and organizations, and the list keeps on growing. So, what kind of apps can you make with it? Actually, the possibilities are enormous. You can create and publish magazine apps, sales apps, catalogs, investor relations apps, news apps, corporate magazines, annual reports, portfolios, interactive guides. So basically, any type of content app. Pretty cool, right? What makes Twixl Publisher so unique? First of all, it's a flexible solution that adapts to your new needs or demands. It's about native apps with a native behavior and not just a web page pushed to mobile. It's a powerful and cost-effective way to introduce your content to readers and to engage with them. It's a cost-effective solution distributed through a worldwide network of partners. These partners offer a project-driven approach that helps you conceive, create, and deploy your projects. Does this sound like Twixl Publisher could be exactly what you need? Then don't go away. Check out our website. You'll see we have nothing to hide, and we provide details about all aspects of our solution. If you want to learn more about how Twixl Publisher works, what pricing plans we offer, and how you can get started, just press play. Now, let's get a move on. Here's what Twixl Publisher has to offer. You can create content, present it, build your app, distribute your content, and analyze how your readers interact with it. Now, let's go through this step by step. What kind of content can you create and publish with Twixl? If you go for the classic approach and start from InDesign, you can enrich your content and lay out your articles in Adobe InDesign. Pixel perfection guaranteed, and a great design experience for sure. But how much time will it cost you to create different layouts for tablets and phones? A second approach has the lowest production cost. Publish plain PDFs with very little interactivity, like only hyperlinks. While this is very cost-effective, it is perhaps not very customer-oriented. On the other hand, you can argue that certain types of documents, like a price list or a technical manual, don't need to be pimped, do they? So why not simply publish them as a PDF? The third approach is using HTML-based content. Simply use whatever creation tool you're familiar with to create your content. In most cases, our customers will use their CMS or editorial system. Then they will publish directly to their apps and to the web. Which of these three approaches suits you best? Well, no need to choose. You can combine all of these content types in one app. When you present your content on mobile devices, the way you introduce it is crucial. That means your job is not finished when the content is ready. You also need to define the interface of your app and create all of the introduction pages to guide your readers through your story. It's an ongoing process, highlighting the right articles, introducing the right topics on the main browse page, and so on. With Twixl Publisher, you have a handy graphical user interface to create your browse pages and manage them. The interface configuration of your app is completely server-driven, so when you make a change on the platform, you'll see it reflected in your app on the fly. No need to submit an update of the app. Okay, so let's publish, shall we? Not quite ready yet? But of course, you first want to review your creation and share it with your colleagues, right? The Twixl App Reviewer, a free download from the App Store, allows you to do just that. All set for publishing now? Great. Then we can start building the app with the Twixl Publisher App Builder. Configure the unique settings for your app. You'll need an icon, a home screen name, code signing info, etc. But don't worry, a smart wizard will guide you step by step. You can save any of your settings and create an update of your app later on. Can it be any easier than that? So far so good. We built the app, we defined the interface, we've got the right contents, but how do we get it to the readers? Your readers can download your app from the app stores or from an in-house server. But this app is no more than an empty shell. Your content will be downloaded when the reader requests it. All app content is stored on the Twixl distribution platform, which is hosted on Microsoft's Azure infrastructure. To guarantee the best possible download speeds anywhere in the world, all downloads are managed by the Akamai Content Delivery Network. There are two ways to upload content: manually, article by article, or as part of an automated process. With the Twixl Integration API, you can integrate with any CMS or with editorial systems like VueK4 or TrueEdit, or an HTML-based solution like CanvasFlow or Woodwing Inception. You can also integrate an RSS feed in your app that will automatically publish all the new articles without the need for any manual intervention. The Twixl distribution platform allows you to organize everything. Manage one or several apps, all your articles and publications. Update them, remove them, publish new ones, and so on. Your next step is to define how readers get access to your content. Twixl Publisher supports in-app purchases and subscriptions for both the App Store and Google Play. You can also manage access to the content in your app by working with entitlements. Entitlement is ideal for publishers of print magazines who want to give their existing subscribers free access to the content in the app. It's also suitable for companies that distribute content in-house and want to keep an eye on who gets access to which documents. The entitlement pack comes as a paid option in your Twixl Publisher subscription. Publishing to mobile is all about numbers and data. That's why Twixl Publisher has built-in analytics reports with zero configuration. They gather data for every app, every article, every asset. Want to know how many readers interact with the slideshows? How much time they spent with the app? What type of device or OS they use? You get all of that instantly. This gives you valuable information about how your readers interact with the content in your app. Which article is the most popular or the least? Which feature do they most appreciate? With this precious data, you can optimize your offer step by step, or try a new approach when you feel the need. Now, what could be the price tag of this valuable solution? What's it worth to you? Would it be 10,000 euros for one app? We hear that some of our competitors do have the nerve to charge up to 60,000 just for one app. Twixl Publisher starts at €1,950 per app per year. If you need to add the entitlement pack or the integration API, we charge an extra €1,250 for each. You think we're kidding? We're not. Just trying to offer you a fully featured solution for a fair price. And if you need to publish more than one app, you can take advantage of a subscription plan that will make your cost per app even more affordable. In addition to our attractive pricing plans, our network of solution and creative partners will guide you to get your project started. They can help you to define and realize your project and then hand it over to you when everything is in place. From then on, you're in control. Or do you prefer to be in control right from the start? Then go for it with our 30-day trial and get started with a test app on our Twixl distribution platform. You'll also have access to our learning and support site. Oh, one more thing. Are you working with another solution like Adobe DPS or AEM, and would you like to migrate to Twixl? You can do that quite easily. We'll be glad to provide you with step-by-step instructions. Well, that's it. I hope my overview has made it clear what Twixl Publisher can do for you. Considering the affordable cost, you may think there's a catch somewhere. But let me assure you, there isn't. We're not in it for a quick win, but for a long-term relationship with our clients. You focus on the content, we concentrate on making the platform evolve and extend its feature set. Should this be ridiculously expensive? We honestly don't see why. Any doubts? Let our showcases convince you. That's about it. Want to learn more? Check out all the info on our website. If you want, you can talk to one of our consultants or to a local solution partner just by filling in the contact form right there. Go for it. Enjoy publishing with Twixl. Good luck and thanks for watching.